This is a very special wig unboxing for me today because I have been waiting for all of you to unbox the wig that I have chosen to wear at one of my children's weddings. Now, this child wants to remain anonymous. I have 4 kiddos and this one's getting married and I had to narrow it down, and it is not easy to narrow down the right wig, right? For the right occasion. So the big reveal, and I haven't seen her yet either, so I hope I chose the right one. The big reveal is Herrera from Belle Tress in the Sunkissed Almond color. So I have Herrera in Jamocha Almond Fudge, but I do not have Sunkissed Almond, which is just a beautiful color. Let's look at her together. Oh my goodness, look, look, look. It's so exciting. Look at that. Oh. So why I chose this color is because I think it is such a great blend of the browns and the blonde. Neither one really outdoes the other. So it's a great neutral color, but yet you still have these blonde highlights in the Sunkissed Almond, and I really like that. Has a little root. I'm a rooted girl. Look at her. Oh my goodness. Look at this hair. Oh, so stunning. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you why choosing this wig for this event was so important to me. Since I was a child, as far back as I can remember, I have been really ashamed and embarrassed about my bio hair because it just has always been super, super thin. And then as I went through life with surgeries and you know, all the other things that just happened to you, and COVID, and I have an autoimmune disease, and I mean, it just, menopause, it just all compiled until frankly, I don't have any hair worth speaking of. That really impacted me when I would go to events of any kind because my personality would like get submerged way deep down under here because my feelings about my hair made me feel so inadequate that I just really wasn't the person that I am inside. So this event is a huge event in my life, and picking the hair that makes me feel like I can have the personality that is me, that I feel confident and beautiful, and these pictures last a lifetime, right? So it had to be the perfect wig. Now, why I think Herrera is the perfect wig is because she is one of the most natural looking wigs that I own. And for me, that natural feel needs to be kind of low density. And I think it's still just because I have a lifetime of not having any hair. So a low density wig is important to me when I really want to show up feeling my most confident. And Herrera is a very low density wig. In fact, she's so low density that when we remove the zigzag part, you do see right down to the scalp. So I do have to be careful what kind of band I wear because you can see it right through it. So she is very low density. And then the Sunkissed Almond is just like chef's kiss. And I love the length on this wig. I love the natural look. She's 100% hand tied. So again, that adds, just let me look for a second. Oh, she is just incredible, just incredible. Okay. So being 100% hand tied, she has this very low profile. So because she's low density, because she has this low profile, you know, there's just no gapping anywhere. Well, here's my ponytail. I'm gonna have to put her up in clips instead of a ponytail. But look at that. She is everything that I wanted her to be. And I love how Herrera has these like layerings in her too, which just even adds more to the low density natural feeling. And just look at this hairline. It's so beautiful, so natural looking. And I really love the blonde pieces that she has around her with this color. And I love the root. It's not too dark. If I wanted to wear her up, she has the extended lace that goes all the way around the silicone ear tabs. So you could pull her back and you just see this very nice natural hairline. So what do you think, my friends? Is this the one? I do have to say, I had a little conflict because I do really love Armani in the Sunkissed Almond as well. She, though, is a little more dense. And so I think this one's the better choice, but you've seen me in a lot of wigs. So I would love to know your opinion and help me make the right choice. Thank you for sharing this moment with me. This is just really fun.